This simple strategy only requires a couple different websites. The first step is to take a website like this with information on. Then step 2 is converting it into a PDF. Then lastly, by using our free traffic source, we can get a constant daily stream of commissions. The first website we need to head to today is called ClickBank. Make sure you sign up and then log in to your account. This is completely free and quick to do so. This website is where we will find our offer and get all that free information we can use to convert into the PDF. So once you've logged in, you'll have a dashboard where you'll then want to come over to their marketplace. So now we're here, we can have a look at all the different products that they're currently selling. These are also affiliate products, which means we can promote them and then receive a commission from the sales we get. Also, on the left here is all the categories which they have products in. For this method today, what we want to do is head over to the health and fitness. Health and fitness always performs very well and is normally one of the top categories to get into. So that's why we'll be using it today. So now if we head over to one of these products here and click this link, it will then lead to their main product page, which is also going to be the page that we're going to be using for all their free information, as you can see. Now what we need to do is turn this into a PDF. This will then allow us to use it for our free traffic source that we're going to use later on. So if you just come up to the top here and copy the main URL, you're then going to want to head to a website called web2pdfconvert.com. Now what you're going to do is paste that in here for it to then convert it to a PDF for you. Then you want to press download and convert file. It will then save it to your computer. And then this is what it will look like. It's going to be a full document that you can give out as free value to get commissions on the same exact product. So what we need to do now is edit this whole document so that we can add our affiliate link in all the clickable places throughout the document. So people can then be directed to your affiliate product page and you'll then be accredited for each of the sales. So just chuck this back in your file somewhere and we'll come back to it later. So the next website that I want you to head over to is called Sejda.com. Then what you're going to want to do is upload the PDF file that we just saved from before. So once they've completely converted it, you can then edit it to whatever you like. As you can see, every part of this is now editable, so you can change the photos, the images, the text, anything like that. But all we want to do is change some of these so they're clickable links. So for example, say they press add to cart, we'll then want to make sure that then leads to our affiliate page. So to do this, we need to go back to ClickBank. And then we need to find the Java Burn product. All you're then going to do is press promote. You then need to enter your nickname here and then press generate hop links. This down here is then going to be your hop link and your specialized link that will be accredited to you for every single sale that happens through this link. So if we just copy this now, then come back over to the editable PDF and then start adding your link into each aspect of the PDF. To do this, you press links at the top here and then highlight it and then change the link to external URL. I'll just do this now for a couple of other things and speed it up so you can see the whole process. So once you're then done, press apply changes at the bottom. It will then bring you to this downloadable button. So just press download. And this is then going to save to your files. And then this is now ready for you to promote through your free traffic source. So now what you want to do is come over to Google and search for Google Drive. Here you can then sign in if you don't have one already, or just make a Google account and then you'll have a Google Drive like this. And then what I want you to do is press new and then file upload and find the file and bring it into your Google Drive. Now it's in our drive. What you're then going to want to do is open it and then go to the three dots at the top right. And then you're going to want to go down to share. Now this bit at the bottom here is then going to be your shareable link that you can give out to absolutely anyone. Okay, so now you have all that free information all set up and ready and completely edited with all your affiliate links. We now need to head over to our free traffic source. Pinterest is where we'll be giving out this free PDF. This works really well as you're able to have a pin with a photo as the main part, and from that then leads to your PDF. So once you're on Pinterest, you're then going to log into your account and then use create pin at the top here. As you can see, you're then going to need a front cover for the pin. So to do this, we're then going to head to a website called Canva. I've used this in many other videos as it's really good free software to create images for all sorts of different things. It even gives you the right dimensions without you having to change anything. So to find the right sizing for what we need for Pinterest, we need to then go to Instagram stories. So just search it through there or find it on one of the templates. Then as you can see, there's 99,000 different templates we can use. So all we need to do is find something fitness related or similar to the products that you're trying to promote. If you want, you can use some of the filters on the left to narrow down your results. For this stage, you're going to want to take more care into designing the right pin, making it look really nice to be the most effective for your advertising. I'm going to just use this one here and use it as a template and then changing a few pieces of text. Then I'll come back when it's all done. So as you can see, it's got the fitness image at the top and then some text relating back to the product. Make sure everything kind of looks similar. The product was kind of orange and black anyway, so this kind of does work quite well, even if I haven't done it quite quick. Maybe fill these texts out a lot more as well. So once you've then finished, press download at the top right and then save it to your files, and then we can add it to our Pinterest pin. The title doesn't need to be anything crazy, but I would make sure you have somewhere written down that they'll be able to get their free booklet that you made earlier. Now for the text underneath, you'll need to aim people to the Google Drive link that we got earlier, which is obviously then leading people to the PDF. So maybe something like that would work. And then also make sure the destination link is also the Google Drive link as well. So make sure publish immediately is on as well. And then when everything's finished, you can press publish, and this will then post it onto your Pinterest board, and you'll be getting free traffic every single day. This is just one of the many ways you can get free traffic to your link by utilizing this social media platform. If you want to find out another way you can promote affiliate offers using ads, then watch this next video I've put up on the screen now. If you've also enjoyed this video, please drop a like and also subscribe for future money making methods.